Hello everyone, welcome back to Big Faction YouTube channel. Today we are diving into an exciting topic that transforming the affiliate marketing landscape. Artificial intelligence. If you are looking to boost your affiliate marketing business and take it to the next level, you are the right place. Don't forget to hit the subscribe buttons and ring the bell to stay updated with your last content. Now let's start it. Imagine having a powerfully that can analyze the data, optimize your campaigns and supercharge your sales. That is artificial intelligence. In this videos, I will share how integrating AI into artificial marketing into your affiliate marketing strategy can skyrocket your success. So bulk up and let's explore the game-changing benefits of AI. Now, understanding AI. First thing first. What is AI and how does it apply to affiliate marketing? Artificial intelligence refers to computer systems that can perform tasks and that typically required human intelligence. In the world of affiliate marketing, AI can analyze vast amount of data, identify patterns and make smart decisions to enhance your campaign. Next, AI enhanced targeting. One of the key advantages of AI is its ability to supercharge targeting. AI algorithms can analyze your behavior, preference and demographic, allowing you to target the right audience with laser prescription. This means higher conversions rate and better ROI for your effect. Next, personalized content creations. Gone are the days of generic content. With AI, you can create personalized content tailored to your audience interest. AI tools can analyze data to understand what resonates with your audience, helping to your deliver content that enhance, engage and converter. Next, smart automations. Time is money, right? AI-powered automations can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up your time to focus on strategies and growth. For scheduling, post optimization and ads placements, AI ensure that your campaigns run like a well-oiled machine. Next, predictivity analytic. Predicting future trend and consumer behavior is crucial for affiliate marketers. AI predictivity analytic can analyze historical data to forecast trends, helping you stay ahead of the curves and make informed decisions for your campaigns. Next, case studies and success stories. Now that we have covered the theory, let's look to real world example. I will share some case studies and success stories of affiliate who have witnessed a remarkable result by integrating AI into their marketing strategy in coming videos. And there you have it, the power of artificial intelligence in affiliate marketing. Whether you are a seasoned affiliate or just starting out, embarrassing AI can give your competitive edge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. We will meet in the next video.